If you're signed into your Google account and you notice that every time you go to a browser or a app, you previously filled out some information, some login username, or even a password, then suddenly there is this same set of information that is being used as autofilled in another app in which you don't want to happen. You don't want Google to autofill anything that you need to fill in on your own on your Android phone. So here's the setting that you're going to go ahead and turn off if you are tired of that happening. Let's get started. To turn off the Google autofill, of course, you will need to be already signed in to your Android phone. Then go into the quick access here, use the settings toggle. Then from here on, you'll need to go down to the section that says Google. On some other Android phones, it may be known as Google Services, but you're looking for this one right here. Just for a quick demonstration, on Samsung phones, it will be this one here. And if you have another type of Android phone, such as maybe perhaps a OnePlus phone, it would be the one that says Google like this here. So you're basically looking for Google right there. Now, once you enter into it, of course, you're going to see all your information. This is not an email I use, so don't worry about that. Now you'll go to all services. Now, once you're in the all services section here, you're going to see ads and you're going to go down and you're looking for autofill, this one right here. And as you tap on that here, you're going to see some other interesting features like phone number sharing, which I would recommend turning off. But autofill is where you're going into. And if you have multiple accounts here, you will see them there. Then you just simply want to disable this right here, the autofill. And that's going to stop your phone from autofilling anything that you might have filled in before on another site, or when you're going to a new site or an app and you notice that it's there, that's not going to show up anymore. And you can come back and turn this on at any given time, like and sub.